latest updates, subscribe to News 9. Three BJP workers were shot dead by terrorists while they were travelling in a car in the Vaikepora area of Jammu and Kashmir. The three leaders who have been shot dead includes the General Secretary of the Bharatiya Janata Yuva Morcha, Fida Hussain Yattu. After the attack, they were immediately shifted to the hospital in Kazigund where they were declared brought dead. Apart from Fida Hussain Yattu, the other two BJP workers have been identified as Umar Rashid Beg and Umar Ramzan Hajam.
Preliminary investigation revealed that terrorists fired on three BJP workers identified as Fida Hussain Yattu, son of Ghulam Ahmad Yattu, resident of Vaikepura BJP district, Youth General Secretary, Umar Rashid Beg, son of Abdul Rashid Beg, resident of Sofat Devsar, BJP worker, and Umar Ramzan Hajam, son of Mohammad Ramzan, resident of Vaikepura, who is also a BJP worker.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi condemned the terrorist attack and tweeted about how the deceased BJP members were doing excellent work in Jammu and Kashmir.
I condemn the killing of three of our young Karyakartas. They were bright youngsters doing excellent work in J&K. My thoughts are with their families in this time of grief. May their souls rest in peace.
National Conference leader Umar Abdullah also condemned the attack.
Terrible news from Kulgam district of South Kashmir. I unequivocally condemn the targeted killing of three BJP workers in a terror attack. May Allah grant them peace in Jannat and may their families find strength during this difficult time.
PDP chief Mehbooba Mufti also took to social media and pinned the blame on the centre. Saddened to hear about the killing of three BJP workers in Kulgam, condolences to their families. At the end of the day, it's people of Jammu and Kashmir who pay with their lives because of Government of India's ill-thought-out policies. Kashmir IG visited the site where terrorists fired upon three BJP workers and said that names of LET members and local militants have come forward in the case and they are looking into it.
अभी तक जो हम लोग अपने ऑफिसर्स बात किए, मौका पा के मुआयना किए और टेक्निकल जो एविडेंस देख रहे हैं, उससे लग रहा है कि जैसा कि अल्ताफ यहाँ का एक लोकल है, कल शाम में 8 बजे उसका अल्टो कार 3 मिलिटेंट आया था, उसको स्नैच करके और इस गाड़ी में यहाँ तक आया है। उससे पहले यहाँ पर हमारे जो फिदा हुसैन साहब थे, उनके 2 कलीग थे, तीनों गाड़ी में बैठे हुए थे। उस पर नज़दीक आके अंधाधुंध फायरिंग किया और उनको जख्मी काफ़ी हो गए, हॉस्पिटल लेके रास्ते में उनका डेथ हो गया। और फिर उसी गाड़ी में तीनों मिलिटेंट बैठ के अच्छे वाले एरिया में निकल गए, जहाँ से आज गाड़ी को सीज किया गया है। FSL की टीम चली गई है और हम इसमें LET का नाम आ रहा है।
A case has been registered and a joint team of Jammu and Kashmir Police, Army and paramilitary forces have cordoned off the area and started search operations. The Resistance Front, which is part of the Lashkar-e-Toiba, has claimed responsibility for the killings. Official sources said at least 9 BJP leaders and workers have been killed in militant attacks across Kashmir this year, and most attacks took place in South Kashmir.